Check in people. Right now, we're up on the street. So we can film the aftermath of the passing of the hurricane beryl. So stay tuned and watch what go on. You know it's a boy gaff adventure out here without fear. Yeah man, see the guys banana tree them down. Show no what go on, you know. Whenever they kin, I tell you, banana tree them gone, beryl take them down. Beryl don't love no banana and planting. Guys, me live for 40 years here. And I first me I see this here. First me I see this here, guys. First me I see this here. 40 years here me live here, sir. And I first me I see this here. Beryl say look here. Water. See them guys, banana tree. Down. Somerset with it. Somerset Manchester with there, guys. Beryl wreak havoc round us, sir. Choose them, see my friend. I weed out him yam gong, you know. And see there. Beryl say, I take down every yam stick. Yeah man, Blue Gate with it. In a Blue Gate street, guys. A garden here, I pass it. Tuesday, banana, planting, everything in a garden. And see Beryl lean up if you lean up, pop when you pop down. Spray blunt to Beryl. Cassava there. Yeah man, some like community guys in my street. So I'm going to try to see how much clipping me can get in the Somerset right now. Banana tree. Man a house is spear. Banana tree, the man pear tree. Don't. I look shop your body, me and lie. Beryl couldn't manage it. I feel left it. I can serve the community right now. Banana tree them down, man. When they come to deck house, them can hold up in a storm, you know? Deck house. Yeah man, Beryl, I love banana tree, man. Sit there. Yeah man. Dark up. They are pear, you know, guys. Some people call them avocado, we call them pear. Beryl look off a tree. First Anja yam ground flat out. Apple tree shed. So you can't believe yourself storm come to the place. A piece of corn that you know, guys. Yeah man, piece of corn. Mash up. Oh stop, lift up, you know. Pear tree lose it, stop, you know. Reach back at my gate now, guys. Going on the street, you know, so from my gate, I go show the rest of my street, then I go down the road. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. You know, the boy got adventure out here. Yeah, man, no damage. No, you could tree, you know, go down. When you come to the banana tree, them, man, I tell you, say, Beryl, make fun with them and just leave them wicked. Yeah, man. See there? This is my garden, you know. My banana garden. Banana what this year. But we just plant up right here. Beryl take it down, man. Beryl take it down back. So guys, me have to go replant again, but I saw you go still. But you see man, Bill, we must deck the house, them are concrete or slab, whatever you call it. We want to see. Me have some money for game. A deck house I do it, people. A concrete house top I do it. Listen to me. A concrete house top I do it. Believe me. Look here. No pass think nothing about you. But anyway, still give thanks and praise. So you pass me and think I'll go down the street. We'll see what I go on. Stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Like, comment, share and subscribe to Gaff Adventure Jamaica. In on the street, guys. Yeah. These already look nice, look alright, you know, everything good as well. Yes guys, let's take a walk, we're gonna look what going down the street. Stay tuned, watch what going. We just play for show you what going on, guys. You don't know Beryl aftermath. This is zinc that, you know. I'll show you what going on, guys. Just take a look. You know what, water. Anybody know what we call a Dundee, Somerset. Yeah man, we don't normally get them things. We don't normally get them things, guys. Trust me. Banana cheese. Tell you about the deck top house them. One of the man who come up with the idea. Who I know him. Cow still stop. You see man who show if a deck house stop. We'll give him some money. I'll give him some money. Our taxi around right now, guys. Full road clean and clear. So look what minor issue going on about. All house intact, guys. When you see the guys, I pay 3 there and decide say want to go in the house, you know. So I'm dropping the house, but anyway, no big damage no go on. We have to give thanks same way. But beryl love no banana tree. No, so I pay water that you know, guys. Pay water. And then, if you not put on a rooftop, yeah, and you deck your house, you don't have no rooftop. Well, so far for now, I will show you the biggest disaster. One buck upon so far. You walk in a community, Somerset. Show you what I go on. Stay tuned, watch what I go on, guys. Right there, so. Tree drop down. You know, so the road is black. So, tree cut off, you know. Yeah, man, but road clear now still. Look at seal coming out on the yeah, man, piece of shopper beside lift. Them are sort out. Yeah, man, down the street, I'm one and few tree drop down. But I'm going to tell you, say, that the only thing can do Somerset. 3 hours drop down. No flooding. Yes, guys, so in the street now, we are sure. Me are sure I can show. You understand? As I say, for my community, I just 3 can drop down. Can't have flooding. I might find a light post drop down or some wire get damaged up and things, but anyway, everything good now. We give thanks, say. We ain't no bigger damage than this, and I hope and pray for everybody across Jamaica. Alright, see you the same. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah man, see that tree I drop down, guys. When I look a boy I go to school, you should eat off of that tree, you know. Yeah man. I'm saying I get no damage still, but big up yourself, you hear what I say? It's dirty house intact, man, everything good. Big up to the bar, support the bar and come and Somerset. They don't know anything go. Guys, look on that house there. Look on that house. Not even a zinc no lift up. Look on that house there, guys. Them house here a long time house, you know. And go through storm. So you know, see a Somerset high tension where this, you know, guys. The high tension where on Somerset. Pop off. Better this church here. Just told the tree pop down around it. Down man ground. It a beaten. Yeah man, I say thing look. Yeah man, say right now guys, they always part me. My grandfather, my grandmother, my father, and my cousin them burial. And some aunties. So it's a see what I go on, you know. So my friend Redman there, you don't know. Yeah man, so this are all the things that in Somerset, you know. You don't know. Shop still stand up, man. Some banana tree and something that down over that place, you know. Man, in jerk up the house there, you know. When you come to the storm still, you know, you see hill. The hill them play important role with the storm. So that I go and make you sick. Manchester not get so much damage. I tell you, enough of the house them under the hill and the storm come over the hill. But anyway, that's sure we can show still. Stay tuned and watch what I go on.
Hello?
Yeah man, see generally I cut down some tree there in the car. You know?
Well, I wanted to go to one's door.
Yeah man, see there.
Because
You see man who build, who say if he must deck house, we are giving piece of money. Cause right thing in tell we.
I will not hear anything until tomorrow.
What's that, man?
Yeah man, yeah man, them things they go on, man.
Banana.
It's a storm, you love banana.
Where?
No fruit tree, you love.
I'm going to tear down where you want to tear down.
For real, man.
Lord God, Kevin, he's mad, it's a shame.
And you not come fully.
If I get wine. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man. Yeah, Richard Jenner, some man, eh? Banana tree down. Yeah, say man, no joke thing there with the storm. This a storm I love no banana tree.
No man, a banana woman.
Yeah man, a banana and plant man.
So woman I take everything on a market.
Yeah man.
Stand up. Beryl market.
Yeah man. See that man. Love no banana man. No sir. No plant.
No. Shell on the whole of the banana.
All of me them gone to master.
Everywhere.
Yeah man. Yeah man, I want to that you know. Somerset. Any grill. Real. Alright. Yeah man, so you don't know that Somerset. With our super dragon mini mart, you know, so remember, support that place when you come at Somerset. Don't pass it. Yeah, good price too. I'm a friend them place. Clean and nice and pretty, everything good. Yeah man, the food there. Yeah man.
Mark to the world.
Cash pot there too. Yeah man.
So one play.
Yeah, I am play today.
The banana, them are that same play. Beryl. Beryl broke down the banana there.
I don't play today.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, time road with it. Yeah man, see them man. Up a yard there, look out, you know. Very no trouble there. Yeah? All the tree if you cut down, you know, right across from Dragon.
Yeah.
Super Dragon mini mart. If you take down too.
Again, but
Yeah man, see them man, this hey, Berry no love no banana man.
Eh?
They love no banana.
Beryl not dealing with fruit.
No man. I just deck a stick out stop can work and decking. Because him on the hill, him safe. Berry no play banana tree.
What else I shall hold here?
Yeah.
Everything.
Level up.
Level have take a wheel them missing.
Berry wheel up at 10, 2, 3 there.
On the hillside there.
Yeah man, we still in the community guys, and I tell you say some things are happening in the Somerset community here because of Berry, you know. I sure know what's going on. Yeah man, see light pole down here. Tree down. Oh, stop the save by the bed, you know. Yeah man, the shop is safe, you know. Berry could have touched a one boy. So you know, see Somerset Church Street with it right now, you know. Alright. So with our top road guys, I tell us say, I want to tell us say right now, light pole down. You see me? So we are so go on the street. I know we're out here without fear, you know? Yeah. So I know so tree drop down as well and pear tree. They want business space. Board up Somerset, you know. Manchester. No light in the community guys. And you know we're out here without fear and that's sure we can show, you see me? Cause I don't know. We have to just give thanks to this storm never bad than this, but you see Manchester still. I tell you the truth. No storm I love Manchester. Too much hill there. Hills and valley there so. By the time if you deal with the hill man, if you catch the people, you know about. You see man who deck the house, who say if you put deck the house them, who say if you put on rooftop and say decky, we want to see him because I'll give him a piece of money because a good idea and come with. And that save enough for the house them right now.
Yo.
Yeah man, for the community, I just banana tree the most thing. Apple tree, pear tree, and road, black and I see tree, 2 posts down. One of them the wire jaw out. Yeah, that for now, but anyway, I have to give thanks still, you see me? Because it could have worse. So stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Got for adventure out here. Somerset community, Somerset Manchester. That's where me is right now. So you don't know anything go. Give thanks, say storm pass through day after up on the street, you know. Yeah man, so this is a Belgian, you know guys, you know, so the brother him do Isle nut. And right now film farm gone down through beryl, you know. Yeah man, see whole iron nut beryl down banana tree. Yeah man, see the farm gone way down up guys. And beryl pop down everything. So this is what you get from the Isle nut. Oil from the Isle. So this is the man, Somerset, Manchester.
In a real life.
Yeah man, this is a man have a big farm with Isle nut.
Plant banana.
Plant banana everything. So right now everything down straight. You see me? Beryl mash them up bad. So you don't know if you want Isle nut, whether you seed or anything.
Or the boiled one, anyone of them.
Yeah man, you can check them on the right in Somerset also. Below the Somerset school. Can't miss it. Big up Mosquito son them, you know, don't know, you know, next son of Mosquito, yeah. And him also a Mosquito son too. But we say Isle nut and banana, planting everything, this man have it locked, but beryl come lock him down for a while right now guys. So you know a thing come down, you know. But hear me now guys, you see man we say we must deck all stop, concrete all stop, we want to know him. We go buy him a juice. Cause see if the all stop never concrete, right now guys, me I tell you say, what zinc would have to pick up right now. Yeah man, big up to the man there. I put in the decomastic roof. But anybody can afford it, so don't know. Shop top come off for them, put it on back, you know. Bury it around for my shop yard man. Bus stuff is finished up, you know, what am I do with? Yeah man, I was stop lift off man, bury it, take it off man, clean. Mash up yard and everything, you know.
Everything.
Yeah man, so we're still up on the journey now. After the aftermath of the storm. So you know, see I'm on the video right now guys. Stay tuned and watch out man. We are race course road, I know say Charlton building mashed down by Berry, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, so this is our burial day with it man. You know? The fire station there.
You know your friend, I suppose.
And you say it to the side of me, you know.
Ese ya no sa.
After the storm,
After the start.
where's that barrel gear?
Yes, good luck.
Alright, my boss, big up yourself. When you come man, if you want your shoes to fix,
Yeah.
and race course road,
Good, right up.
yeah man, check blocks man.
Right by the top.
Yeah man. Yeah man, I think man.
This now.
Barrel to them, you know. Yes guys, so you know, we go out to some video about what takes place in the community of Somerset. So no injury. No injury, no one no death. That's good. And one and a few hours stop come off from some light pole down. You know, so we have to give thanks to that. But one I think I go say still on this. I do no matter how good you put in certain infrastructure when the breeze come, you can't stop it. But if it's JPS, you see how much is a JPS on this. JPS Somerset community, you need to go through and check the light post them. Because some of the light posts them and a really sort of a storm lick it over, you know, because the post them rotten. And those things are checked to people life on a daily basis. You understand me? I say? So this is a JPS. And I will say it again. To JPS, Jamaica Public Service. You are telling us straight up. Somerset light coming in. You know, put in light post Somerset from 1981. Now 2024. Right? Much you hear that. And some of the posts them, you need to check them, Virgin. And deal with the posts them, going to upgrade the system in the community. You understand? So, but you don't know, we not put no blame on you for this still, because an idea. Beryl come through doing for do, but the post them want to sort out. Yeah man, so from up top guys, I just some banana tree, I main thing where we go down. You see that plum tree here? It rock left, right and center, and you see it already on the video guys. So over there, some little tree get root up. Yeah man, and Beryl peer off a hillside, yeah, peer it off. I see a coconut tree here, him all up. I see this coconut tree there on the HQ, it all up also. So we have to just give God thanks. Just give God thanks. Storm come, storm gone. I know whole for damage no create. No life no last in a full part of Manchester, that's what we there. So we say hope and pray say other part of the country and wherever it go before and after. You know, people will pick up the peace and move on in the name of Jesus. You know, say peace, love and unity we are preach. Same way. You see me I say? Yeah man, so you know it's a boy Gaff Adventure out here. And Gaff Adventure make you know say like, comment, share and subscribe. You know, and you see find the adventure. For a live video. Yeah man, just like the video them, comment man and share the video them. Peace out in the name of Jesus.